Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I told you I'll be doing a video tutorial on how to check whether your internet connection is good or bad. Nowadays, I've realized most people are suffering all in the name of poor internet connection. And of late, the social media has become very interesting. That even some trending issues are even going on between Sarkodie and Yvonne Nelson, and also one trending between Davido and Anita Brown, the USA model. But we are not here to talk about that. So let's continue. And nowadays, it has even gotten to the point that people even can't stay in their houses. Oh, Charlie, I'm not issue. All because of what? Internet connection. People can't even stay in their houses. They roam about, move about, looking for a stable place to get internet connection and so far. Oh, and hmm. But guys, I'm here to teach you a trick. I'm here to teach you a trick. I'm here to give you a nice solution. And what I'm about to teach you can help you know where you rent. Like maybe you want to rent a house or maybe an apartment. And first, what you have to do, you have to check your internet connection. Whether the place you are moving to, the internet connection over there is good or is the same as your previous place. So this video will help you know where to rent and where not to rent. So before we get into the video, before we dive into the video, please, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to watch. Okay, guys, so now let's dive into the video. So I'll be using Google Chrome. So let me open my Google Chrome, and the website or the name of the site you are coming to use today is fast.com. Fast.com. We also have another one which I'll be teaching you. So let's type fast.com. Okay, so this is it, fast.com. So let's go. Let's click on it. Okay, this is it. So as you can see, it's loading. It's loading. Okay, it's going, and it is in megabyte per second. So let's see. Let's see. Wow, superb. Hmm. And when you open the site, this is how the interface looks like. Very simple, very simple and nice. Okay, so your internet speed is 7.6 megabytes per second. So this me getting 7.6 megabytes per second, meaning my internet connection is good. So I don't need to worry coming to social media or with a slow network. Maybe my network is really fast, and whenever I'm browsing, I enjoy surfing the net. Wow. And I want you to see this like as a proof. Let's maybe go to YouTube to watch maybe a video and let's see how fast it is. So let's open a new tab and click on YouTube. Okay. So as you can see, we see how fast it has opened the YouTube. So let's maybe watch a video and see. So okay, so Sabino's listen to advice. Let's watch this video and see. Okay, so as you can see, there's like ad loading, blah blah blah. Okay, so as you can see, you see how it's going. It's not slow, it's fast. So let's go back. Let's go back. As you can see, I've shown you proof that my internet connection is good. It's good. So let's go back. Let's close this tab. So let me show you the other one also. So the other one is speed test. So SPEEDTEST. This one doesn't need speedtest.com. It is just speed test. Then you click on it. or you press enter. So there's it, internet speed test. So let's read. Check your internet speed in under 30 seconds. The speed test usually transfers less than 40 megabytes of data, but may transfer more data on fast connections. So if your connections are fast or your connection is fast, it will transfer more data. But the usual transfer is less than 40 megabytes. So let's continue. To run the test, you will be connected to measurement lab, that's MLab, and your IP address will be shared with them and processed by them in accordance with their privacy policy. MLab conducts the test and publishes all test results to promote internet research. Published information include your IP address and test results, but don't in but doesn't include any other information about you as an internet user. It doesn't include any information about you the user, you using the internet. So you are the user. So now let's run the speed test. Okay, so let's check. Okay, okay, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Wow. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Okay, my downloads is 4.86 megabytes per second. And let's wait for the upload. Upload. Okay. Oh. Okay, the upload is 1.337. But still the internet is fast. So as you can see, guys, thank you for watching the video. And I'm saying it again, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever we post a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Thank you. Bye.